What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Good Success Quick Tips. I am Josh Keller, and back with me again we have Josh Belk with Belk Associates, and he is an accountant extraordinaire. We have done a podcast with him about this hot topic that is going around about the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act.
Yeah, you got it.
I got it, man. That's the third time, but I got it. But anyway, so we've done a couple videos previous to this video specifically, so you guys make sure you go check those out. We'll have a link below for you. But today we're going to talk about how business owners can take advantage of this whole thing. And Josh knows his stuff. He knows what he's talking about. Like I said, go listen to the podcast. We'll have it linked below. You can listen on iTunes, Google Play, SoundCloud, and Stitcher, and Anchor, so you guys can go check that out there. So Josh, good to have you back. Thank you for sharing all this information with us. It's just a plethora of information that he's given us, such invaluable stuff. And so how can business owners take advantage of this whole situation?
Sure thing. Thanks, Josh. Yeah, as far as taking advantage of this, just like just about anything else in life, you're going to take advantage of things that you plan for. So if you're going to do anything else, if you're going to take advantage of this, you need to plan accordingly. Now, unfortunately, this particular law, this particular act came into, was signed into law literally within a week and a half at the end of 2017. So there really wasn't a whole lot of time to plan. However, there's still plenty of time to put things into effect that you need to take into effect. We talked about in a previous video the 20% deduction. But are you structured correctly to be able to take that particular deduction? So as a business owner, you need to make sure you're structured correctly, and that is the case whether or not we're talking about this particular law, or if we're talking about anything from an asset protection end, or just an overall general taxation end. Are you structured correctly? Do you have the things put in place there that you need to have in place to be able to minimize your tax exposure, and also to be able to protect the assets that you do have, whether your business assets or your personal assets? To make sure you're meeting with your accountants, your attorneys, if you need to have those involved, make sure you're meeting with them, you're having those discussions, so you're structured correctly. For those of you that are getting into real estate before you even get things set up, okay, you want to make sure that you have that dialogue as well. So it's all about planning, and it's all about structure. This entire taking advantage of this particular law is about those two things: planning and structure.
Okay, perfect. So make sure you guys plan. A lot of planning needs to go into this, and I mean, they don't have a lot of time. I mean, this video is probably going to come out within a week or probably less than that, than the year ends. Now, another question that I might have is if they don't have time before the end of the year to do something about it, can they still do something going into the next year?
Yeah, undoubtedly. I mean, just about everybody, and you guys are going to see this. It'll be after the new year. We're right up butting up against the end of 2017 right now. So we're into 2018, right? Happy New Year. So you're like, okay, am I too late to do anything? Well, no, not at all. Things can always be modified. Things can be set up the way they need to be set up. So no, it's never too late to engage. It's never too late to have that conversation. It's never too late to plan.
Okay, awesome. Talk to your accountants about that. This is our accountant, Josh Belk with Belk Associates. We'll have his contact info linked below. I'm sure he would appreciate that from all the people that will be sending his way, and he's going to be a very busy man for the next few months, so look forward to that.
Thanks, Josh.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much for being on, and thank you for bringing that to us. Invaluable information. Josh is in our Good Success Mastermind, so make sure you guys check out the mastermind, goodsuccess.com/mastermind. If you guys did find value in this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube or like our Facebook page, however you're watching this video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.